Rivian has been showing some bearish bias within a longer, medium to long term trend. On Friday, the 12th of September, it lost 3.65%. Extrapolation is saying lower prices will continue to print up till Wednesday, the 24th of September. No guarantee that that will be the case. Upper projections are saying 12.09, okay, beginning from the least, 12.27, 10.97, 12.09, 14.12, 15.09, 15.70. Yeah, and it has printed some of these projections as of the 3rd of September, about a week ago or thereabout. Okay, we'll get into the price pressure momentums later on. The news is that the CEO sold some shares, not a huge, not an amount that is quite concerning. The value is worth 244,000. Maybe it can be excused. The company has also been dealing with some recalls, and this piece here saying it's not really something that worries. Sometimes stocks really don't. I mean, sometimes automotive stocks really don't decline that much when there are recalls, because in a lot of cases they have already been priced in. Okay, coming back to the price pressure momentums, let's see what we have. Okay, price pressure momentum. Let's see. The 10-day moving average has a negative price pressure momentum. You can see it here. You can see negative here, negative 0.1293. The implication is that yeah, but it has positive derivative, has positive first derivative, suggesting that there's a potential reversal in the bearish trend, on the bearish mode. All the other ones are positive. The 21-day moving average is in a strong trend above 0.25, indicating that it's still maintaining upper pressure. It hasn't really lost a lot. It hasn't really lost a lot. Let's see. However, the 10 and 21, the 40 and the 200-day moving averages are maintaining their trends. Okay. So market grid analysis. Okay, we have not on that chart. This is a range of prices the stock can trade within. Okay, so we have here 13.61 has a 65% probability of retesting that, and 13.79, 45% of 45% probability of retesting that, 13.97, 25% probability of retesting, and then 15% for 14.12 supports, 13.3, 70% high probability given the negative price pressure momentum on the 10-day moving average, and the 13.12, 55%, 12.94, 35%, extreme 12.79, 20% probability. A couple of trade setups here. There's an indication here that it has the potential of getting to 14.15. It has actually printed 15.03 not very long ago. So that probability is there. Okay, so and also has the potential of testing 14.15 again, and then for a long term trade setup, it also has a probability of testing the lows of 12.7. Let's see, do we have any intraday low of recent year? We have that. We had that yesterday as matter of on Friday, 12.57. Yeah, 12.57. That probability is there. Yeah, even lower than 12.7. So just let's quickly have a look at the 4 hour chart and see what we have there. On the 4 hour chart, the extrapolation is saying that we are going to get this strength. It's picked up. When it bounced to that intraday low of 12.57. So in other words, this closing price of 13.46 was as a result of a bounce. So it's expected that it may keep up that trend, even though it may correct, it may attempt to contract it up till midday of tomorrow, the 15th, and then maybe after that, we might get a bounce. I think there's a world where this can still fit in with extrapolation on the daily chart. Here we only have an upper projection of 14.2 currently prevailing as of no, we have 12.77, 12.45, and then 13.29. We have already seen projections of we have seen a rejection at 15.03, so not long ago. Okay. Previously, we had indeed such projections 15.51. The stock is really not that volatile. It seems not really that volatile, and underlying trend is still bullish anyway. And I think the company is also, the CEO was saying something about the technology they have that VW is going to use to compete with the Chinese EV companies. If it's not here, maybe somewhere else. Yeah, the CEO was saying that, and that he was saying that even the EV other or the other companies, the Chinese EV companies will come and buy it. Even I think something about GM as well will come and buy the technology. Was it here? Yeah, I read it somewhere. Okay, they're still talking about the recalls. Yeah, this is chiefly about the recalls, but I read it somewhere that they have a technology. Yeah, it has to be something like the circuit technology that they have. VW has picked it up, maybe has bought it from them, and they are probably going to sell it to other EV makers. They mentioned the Chinese ones that they will buy it. They will definitely come and buy it. He was quite confident that they will come and buy it. Okay, let's see whether this is the new initiative to introduce procurement model spanning. Let's see what we have here. Okay, when the company and VW Group announced a joint semiconductor procurement strategy to streamline their supply chain and cut costs. Yeah, okay, okay, yeah. A couple of other things there. I think here they're saying that okay, this the recall was just about a software for hands-free and eyes off driving and stuff like that. Software defect that may cause its hands-free highway assist system to misidentify lead vehicles. Yeah, okay. There might be something somewhere concerning that technology they mentioned. We can't get hold of that yet. I think what we have, what has dominated the news of yesterday is the recall news. Yeah. Okay, just have a look and see what you make of Rivian, and I will continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.